Srimati Anupriya Krishna's Shukilaya Nityanjali Center for Indian Performing Arts. On behalf of my guru, our dance school, and the Mailaram family, we are very happy to welcome you all to today's ceremony. Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest dance forms of India. It is said to have originated in southern India. The first three syllables, namely ba, refers to bhavam or expression, ra refers to ragam or melody, and ta refers to talam or rhythm. In Tamil, Salange means anklets or gungus, puja means prayer. A prayer for the bells or the Salanga Puja is conducted after a dancer achieves a base level of competency and is the first occasion where a dancer wears his or her bells and gives a long public performance. Lakshmi Mailaram is a sophomore at the Centerville High School who began learning Bharatanatyam in 2019. She has since been performing with her peers at various local events. In her own words, Lakshmi said, "I can't put the effect dance has on me in words. It's so many things at once, yet a sense of flooding that I want. When I'm dancing, I want to be consumed by portrayal, by endurance, and movement. There is beauty in every single aspect of it, every single emotion I feel and circumstance I'm in. I began to realize I can use it to fuel the movement. Basically, however big, however small, dance offers a window for my soul." We are all very excited for you, Lakshmi. All the best for today from all of us. We will begin today's recital with an invocatory song by Srimati Jahnavi Murali, disciple of Sri Madurai R. Subramanian. Lakshmi will begin her recital with an aladipu. Aladipu is a short and simple item in an equally simple tune and rhythm. It is a Tamil word literally meaning flowering or opening of the body and limbs to get prepared to execute more difficult pieces to be taken up subsequently. Today's aladipu is Mishra Chapu Talam on the 7-beat cycle. The central piece of this evening is the Varnam. Varnam, meaning color in Tamil, is an important component of Bharatanatyam. True to its name, Varnam lends color, variety, and verve to a dance recital and serves as a perfect yardstick to judge the quality of the dance and the competence of the dancer. Varnam brings out the different kinds of emotions, namely love, laughter, compassion, anger, courage, fear, disgust, surprise, and peace in dancers. It is the longest and most strenuous number in a recital. It comprises Abhinaya, Nrita, and Natya. It is a beautiful blend of swarams, sahityams, and jatis. This 30-minute piece will prove to be a test of coordination and stamina for a dancer. Lakshmi will be presenting a very beautiful Varnam today on Lord Krishna. The rasa or the mood of this Varnam is Shringara or love. In this Varnam, the Nayaki or the heroine urges her Saki or friend to ask Krishna to come see her often. She says, "The son of Nanda, the one who I prayed to, can you please ask him to come see me right away?" She reminisces playing and dancing with him every day at one point of time, searches for him and feels disappointed that he continues to play games with her. She says, "It does not matter whether night or day, all I feel is an increasing desire to dance with him all the time." The one who lifted Govardhan mountain with his little finger O butter thief, O coward, and the one who danced on Snake Kalika. You destroyed evil King Kamsa in a second and wiped out all of our sorrows. Yet knowing how I feel about you, why do you play pranks on me? Is this fair? Is this justified? In the more upbeat second half of the Varnam, she says, heaven and earth stand still in your magical spell, praises his respect for friendship, describes the incident where Mother Yashoda asked him to open his mouth and saw the whole universe instead of dirt, describes how he quelled the curse upon two devas who were in the form of trees, saved Draupadi from shame and served as Arjuna's charioteer. Varnam in Ragam Bhairavi set to Adi Taram, composed by Periyasamy Thuram.
Lady ஆடல் புரியும் குடை போல் பிடித்தவன் ஓவிய என்னை குண்டோடி சிந்தவன் கன்றுகள் மேய்ப்பவன் காளிகனத்தனை கம்சனை கணமுன்றி மாய்த்தவன் உந்தை ஒரு விரலால் குடை போல் பிடித்தவன் ஓவிய என்னை கொண்டோடி சிந்தவன் கன்றுகள் மேற்பவன் காளிகனத்தனை கம்சனை துயரெல்லாம் கணமுன்றி மாய்த்தவன் நந்த கோபாலனை நாகொழும் விந்தை புரிந்தவன் நண்பன் பூஜேலரின் துன்பம் களைந்தவன் நண்பன் பூஜேலரின் துன்பம் களைந்தவன் நண்பன் பூஜேலரின் களைந்தவன் நண்பன் பூஜேலரின் மயங்க விந்தை புரிந்தவன் மயங்க விந்தை புரிந்தவன் நாவும் மகரி நம பரம மகரி சரி நம பதன் சகரி தனி ரமவின் மனோ மயங்க விந்தை புரிந்தவன் மனோ மயங்க விந்தை புரிந்தவன் சாவும் மகரி நம பரம மகரி சரி நம பதன் சகரி ரமவின் மனோ மயங்க விந்தை புரிந்தவன் மயங்க விந்தை புரிந்தவன் மண்ணை உண்டு அன்னைவாய் திரையென்னும் போது வாரினில் அண்டமெல்லாம் காட்டிய நின்றவன் மண்ணை உண்டு அன்னைவாய் திரையென்னும் போது வாரினில் அண்டமெல்லாம் காட்டிய நின்றவன் மண்ணை உண்டு அன்னைவாய் திரையென்னும் போது வாரினில் அண்டமெல்லாம் காட்டிய நின்றவன் மண்ணை உண்டு அன்னைவாய் திரையென்னும் போது வாரினில் அண்டமெல்லாம் காட்டிய நின்றவன் விந்தை புரிந்தவன் நிராபு மகரி நிராபு மகரி சரி கம பதவன் நிராபு மகரி நிராபு கரி சரி காணி ரபு மகரி கம பதவன் மனோ மயங்க விந்தை புரிந்தவன் மனோ மயங்க விந்தை புரிந்தவன் நிராவு மகரி நிராவு மகரி கம பதவன் நிராம பதனி நிராபதனி சரி கரி சாணி ரபு மகரி கம பதவன் மனோ மயங்க விந்தை புரிந்தவன் மனோ மயங்க விந்தை புரிந்தவன் உலகு கட்டி வைக்க உருட்டி கொண்டோடின தாபங்கள் தீர்த்தவன் உலகு கட்டி வைக்க உருட்டி கொண்டோடின சாபங்கள் தீர்த்தவன் பறிவுடன் பாஞ்சாலி மானத்தை காத்தவன் பறிவுடன் பாஞ்சாலி மானத்தை காத்தவன் பாரசாரதிய ஜய சிறை ஜெயத்தவன் உடவி கட்டி வைக்க கூட்டி கொண்டோடினான் சாபங்கள் பறிவுடன் பாஞ்சாலி மானத்தை காத்தவன் பாரசாரதிய ஜய சிறை ஜெயத்தவன்
Tilona is a nritta item full of beautiful and graceful, pure dance steps, along with a number of alluring poses and varied pattern of movement. Each anima is executed in slow, medium, and fast speeds with a meticulous combination of the same. Lakshmi will now present a Tilona in Ragam Hamsa Nandi set to Aditalam in praise of Lord Nataraja. Lakshmi will be concluding her recital today with the Mangalam, meaning an auspicious ending. Here she will thank all the gods and goddesses who have bestowed this art in her, and the one who is very similar to Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the preserver, her guru who helps her create and preserve this art form in her. She will go on to thank her Rasikas, that is all of us, for our patience as well as the encouragement we gave her throughout this recital, and finally her parents for always being there.
I request everybody to please maintain silence. Kids, as much it's fun to talk to your friends, remember there's somebody performing just for you. Okay? Another 15 more minutes. Okay? Undivided attention. Thank you.
And we have a special sign here. You hold this that side, facing that
ದೀತನನ ಉದನ ದೀದನ ತಿಲ್ಲಾನ ತರಂ ಜಪ್ತನ ದಿರನ ದೀತನನ ಉದನ ದೀದನ ತಿಲ್ಲಾನ ತರಂ ಜಪ್ತನ ದಿರನ ದೀತನನ ಉದನ ದೀದನ ತಿಲ್ಲಾನ ತರಂ ಜಪ್ತನ ದಿರನ ದೀತನನ ಉದನ தனதிரனரி தனனன உதனரி தீரன இல்லான தஜம் தனதிரனரி தனனன உதனதி 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 தீரன இல்லான
மங்களம் சுபமங்களம்
of you. I invite Lakshmi and her family to give their vote of thanks.
Hello. Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Mailana. And first of all, I want to give my thanks to Srimati Anupriya Krishnan for preparing me so well in such a short amount of time. The quality that she taught me was better than I could have gotten from months in any other teacher. So thank you, Anupriya, for always being there for me. For also caring for me and most emotional help. Thank you so much. Next, I want to thank my parents for always supporting me in this journey. It was always in my hands. They were like, you can do what you want. It's your choice to do this or not. And I feel that freedom led me to discover my passion for dance and perform here today. Next, I want to thank my grandparents and relatives for flying from great distances to get here. My grandparents especially, who flew across a literal ocean to make it here for me today. So I thank them for their unrelenting support and presence here today. And of course, last but not least, I want to thank Janvi Akka for singing here, and then Sara Landi for making sure I got ready correctly, and all of you here for being today. Thank you. There are a couple of people that I want to thank. I want to thank Neha for putting up with my last-minute scripts. I just sent it to her yesterday, and we made it work. I want to thank my husband for his technology support and for bearing with my last-minute unprepared self, and for all the parents for making it on a Monday evening. Kids, I want you guys to be the drivers to bring your parents to all these events, to make sure your parents bring you to these events, because only when you watch other people dance, when you dance, other people are going to watch you. Right? The more you watch, the more you will learn. The more you show up to support other people, more people will show up to support you. Yes? Having said that, what is the first question that I will ask you when you come to class this weekend? Raga and Talam and composer. What is Varnam, what is Tillana, and what is Alari? Yes? So, thank you Ramesh Mama and Shastri Garu. Thank you for a wonderful puja this evening as usual. And thank you for the administrator. If we have forgotten to thank anybody, it's not intentional, it's just age. Thank you, and please join us for dinner.